Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Grey Knight from Castle Crashers. We're going to get started by drawing the outside perimeter of the helmet. So let's get started at the very top. On the left side I'm going to draw a curve from left to right, going up and then back down on the right. Now from here I'm going to draw two straight lines coming down towards the jaw. So on the left side, pull a straight line coming down. Go to the right side and draw the same length line. Now from here I'm going to draw two angled lines coming down towards the center. So let's get started on the left side. Angle down and in, and then work our way back up towards the right side. Now from here I just want to draw on the lower edge of the trim. So from this corner I'm going to step up, draw a curve going up and then in, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we'll take these 2 points, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now let's move up and draw two circles for the eyes. So on the left side, I'm going to start at the very top. Draw one circle. Now on the right side, I want to drop the eyelid coming down in an angle. So step down, draw an angled line going up and out. Now draw that same size circle tucked in underneath the eyelid. So we're going to step in to create an overlap, go around, and then back up towards the top. I want to accentuate the frown line in the center. Just draw a little curve. Now we're going to take these two curves and just duplicate it right up above the eyes. So we're going to step up, curve up and in, and then line up the inside on the right, curve down and then out. Now these 2 points are going to go straight up towards the top, leaving a gap at the top here. Going up to right about there. Now from these 2 points we're going to angle down and in towards the center. Now let's move to the side and draw on the hinge of the helmet. From this line I'm going to step down, draw a short line coming out. From the bottom we'll step up. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve, going out and then back in. We'll do the same thing on the right. I'm going to go in and color the eyes in black. So now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. So on either side, underneath the head, we're going to curve out and then down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right side. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down in the middle and then back up. I'm going to duplicate this curve at the top, going down and then back up. I want to add a thick cross in the center. So we're going to start just below the chin, short line going across, come down on either side. Now we're going to work our way on the left side, going out, coming down, back in, do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to take this top portion and just flip it over along the bottom. Let's move over to the right side. I'm going to have him holding a shield. So we're going to start just below the helmet, come straight down, right beside the hip, to right about there. From the top, I'm going to curve down, then back up. Do the same thing with the bottom, curving down, then up. Connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now let's trim this out on the inside. Just underneath the helmet on either side, we're going to draw on the shoulders. So we'll start at this point here on the side of the body, we'll curve out and then down. Do the same thing on the right. We're going to tuck this in behind the shield. Now from here we're going to curve down and in behind the body. Take that curve and just duplicate it to create a trim. And we're going to do the same thing back here on the right, but right underneath the shield. Now let's go to the left side and have him holding the sword. So from this point in the shoulder, we're going to step down, curve down and out. We're going to round up the thumb, going up, down, and now we're just going to pull that up to right about there. Let's fold the fingers in. So on the side of the thumb, go out, come down, and we'll pull this up underneath the thumb. Now let's add the hilt of the sword at the top. So just above the thumb, we're going to draw a short angled line going across. Come down on either side with a short line. I'm going to pull this in behind the hand and the thumb. Now let's draw the bottom part of the handle underneath the fingers here. We're going to draw 2 short angle lines coming down, and we'll connect the bottom with a curve. Now let's go back to the top and draw on the top of the sword. So directly above the thumb, above the hilt, we go up in an angle towards the tip of the sword. We'll come down with an angle, and we're going to pull this back down towards the top of the hilt. Now on the inside of the handle, I just want to draw on the back of the palm. So just curving up. We're going to step back, curve down, and then in behind the body. Now you see a little bit of the right arm tucked in behind the shield and the body. Right here, we're just going to draw a curve coming down. Now let's work our way down the legs. So on the left hip, curve down and out towards the left. On the right, this is going to get tucked in behind the shield. And we'll come down to the same height. Now from here, it's going to angle down and out towards the toe. Now let's round out the bottom of the foot. From the toe, we're going to curve down and then back in. Then from here, we're going to draw 2 short angled lines coming up and in. And then we'll connect these 2 points with a curve. Now right at the front of the foot here, I'm going to add a little circle. All the way around. We'll do the same thing on the right side. And then from the heel, I'm going to curve up and then in behind that circle. Do the same thing on the right. And we take that curve and just duplicate it above to create a trim. Curve down and in on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Gray Knight from Castle Crashers. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.